Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TANMAI'S Experiments. In today's video, let's make colors. To make colors, let's see the materials required.
We need 3 cups, scoop, stirring stick,
Red color, yellow color, blue color,
water and milk. Now let's see the first step.
Fill 3 cups halfway with water and 1 scoop of milk to it. Now add 1 scoop of milk to it.
Now add 2 drops of red, blue and yellow color respectively in each cup and stir. Can you see red, blue and yellow colored solutions? These are primary colors.
Now add 2 drops of yellow color into the red cup and mix using the stirring stick.
Similarly, mix 2 drops of red color in the blue cup and add 2 drops of blue color in the yellow cup and observe. See friends, when we added yellow to the red, it formed orange. When we added red to blue, it formed purple. When we add blue to yellow, it forms green.
Now try mixing orange color solution with the green solution.
And when we mix orange with the green color, it forms brown. So even primary colors and secondary colors had formed. Now let's behind this. Science behind this. The primary colors cannot be created by mixing other colors, but they can be combined in different proportions to make all other colors. The colors made by mixing 2 primary colors are called secondary colors.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to TANMAI'S Experiments, and also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming video.